Welcome to the Change and Nature's Paradise at Summer Shell Natural Farms Ramnagar, the pride of Purnia and Bihar. परिवर्तन का प्रतीक और पर्यावरण संतुलन का पर्याय बन चुका समर शेल प्राकृतिक फार्म रामनगर से मैं आपका मित्र हिमकर मिश्रा आप सबों का अभिनंदन करता हूँ। आज काफ़ी दिनों बाद हम लोगों की ये वीडियो प्रस्तुति है और नए साल में आप लोगों को नए साल की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। और हमारे नए साल में हमने कुछ परिवर्तन भी किए हैं अपनी कार्यशैली में। सम चेंज इन दी वे दैट वी वर्क हियर। आप देखेंगे कि ये जो काम था हमारा, ये जनरली हमारी महिलाएं और लड़कियां करती थी। तो हमने एक बार एक एक्सपेरिमेंट के रूप में हमने वो सारा काम इस बार हमने लड़कों को दे दिया है। और ये देख रहे हैं कि लड़कियों से कितना ज़्यादा तेज़ ये लोग ये काम कर रहे हैं। और ये काफ़ी अच्छा परिवर्तन रहा, क्योंकि ये लोग काफ़ी तेज़ी से ये काम कर रहे हैं। और वो लड़कियां जो है सारी की सारी चली गई हैं खस लगाने में। सो व्हाट वी हैव डन इज़ वी हैव मेड अ स्मॉल एक्सपेरिमेंट दैट वी हैव द इंटरचेंजिंग ऑफ रोल्स। वी हैव पुट द बॉयज़ इन चार्ज ऑफ segregating the vetiver slips, and the boys are bringing the bundles of vetiver, and the boys here are segregating the slips, led by Amod, who is known as Charpa here. Then Roshan is there, Panditji is there, Mithilesh, Vijay Bhinder, Krishna and Asutosh, and they have done a phenomenal job in the last 2 days. So we have seen that the work has grown faster, we have become more efficient, and we are covering more grounds here. And from here now, what we shall do is that we shall walk towards the area, the stretch जहाँ पे action हो रहा है, where the work is planting of vetiver is taking place. As you know, this is a natural food forest, and you can see thick plantation all around me. We have a pathway in between, and on my right you can see the vetiver planted in the morning, and we have covered around 5 acres during the course of the day. So now vetiver, as I told you, in winters the plants also have they suffer from dehydration, they need more water, and vetiver plays a very stellar role, a very pivotal role in retaining moisture and holding water and recharging of the groundwater table. It also detoxifies the groundwater table, brings out the micronutrients on the surface of the soil, adds fertility and productivity to the soil. This stretch of land, which we call 6 bigha or 7 bigha here, it was a barren piece of land. The land was compromised. There was a lot of sand here, and in the last 5 years, with extensive use of vetiver, we have been able to transform this land into a fertile stretch into a very fertile stretch. We have lemon plantation here. We have nitrogen fixing plants here in terms of subabul, in terms of drumstick, moringa trees, in terms of the mustard that we have planted here. We have planted some masoor also here. We are experimenting with masoor actually this time, and I'm sure it should be very exciting, very interesting to see how the whole thing shapes up. And we are going towards the northern end of our farm. We are almost at the northern end of the farm, and as you can see, I'll tell Jago is substituting for Subodh, and I'll ask Jago, एक बार तुम कैमरा को चारों तरफ घुमाओ, तो लोगों को ये पता चलेगा कि क्या हम लोग क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं यहाँ पे चारों तरफ। और जहाँ जहाँ खस भी लगी है इधर भी लगा। और आज सुबोधा छुट्टी पे है, क्योंकि उसे अपनी ज़मीन पे उसे कहीं पे अपना कुछ काम था वहाँ अपने खेत में, तो कल से वो आएगा यहाँ। तो today's video, the first video in New Year, is Jago, who is my chef also, who is my chef, who's probably one of the finest cooks that I have seen in my life. Very efficient, very fast, and a very quick learner. So he treats us to very delicious meals every day, and even the simplest of meals has his has his own characteristic style or distinct touch. So anybody who has had the privilege of eating his cuisine They have praised him no end, and he actually deserves all the praise that he gets everywhere. Very fine boy otherwise also, and almost like a part of the family here. हमारे परिवार का सदस्य जैसा ही है और सब कुछ ये हैंडल करता है यहाँ, और इंटेलिजेंट भी है. And as you can see here, the girls and women are planting the vetiver. They have covered vetiver on all sides, and this is the last stretch that they are doing, and will be finishing our vetiver plantation here in this part of our land, which is full of Gandharaj lemons, pink pepper. वेटिवर तो जो लग रहा है ज़मीन के अंदर में हल्दी है, जो आप दिख नहीं रहे होंगे क्योंकि वो जंगल साफ़ करने के समय काफ़ी हल्दी के ये कट चुके हैं यहाँ. So but these are all a tale which it has a very interesting story to tell you. Summer Shell Farm, natural farm in Ramnagar, is an amazing story in itself in terms of converting the soil, converting the barren soil into a very fertile and very productive bit of the land system here. And vetiver, of course, as I told you, has a very important role to play in this. And हम लोगों का पिंक पेपर का भी हार्वेस्ट अभी कंप्लीट हुआ है, पूर्ण हो चुका है. तो नए सीज़न की शुरुआत में हम लोग अपने खस को भी हम लोग फिर से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, और अब फिर लीची का सीज़न आ जाएगा तो फिर लीची का शहद और that's another very important part of our activity in this part. और अभी चलिए मैं आपको ले चलता हूँ इस फार्म के अपोजिट साइड, जहाँ पे जगन्नाथ पंडित जो है वो पानी खोले हुए हैं. यू कैन सी हाउ, बिकॉज अभी जो खस है उसे बहुत ज़्यादा पानी की आवश्यकता होगी लगाने के समय में, क्योंकि अभी वेस्टर्लीज बह रहा है यहाँ, पछिया, जिसको पछुआ या पछिया हवा कहते हैं, उसे मिट्टी सूख जाती है काफ़ी, और अभी पौधों को और ज़मीन को पानी की अधिक आवश्यकता होती है. जैसे हम लोग ह्यूमन बींग्स में हैं कि विंटर में वी नीड मोर वाटर टू rehydrate ourselves. So is the system with nature, where during the winter season and हम लोगों को need more water, and that's what we are doing. And यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने एक्चुअली वो स्प्रिंकलर लगाया था यहाँ पे, पर हमारे यहाँ बहुत सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो पा रहा है ये, तो हम लोगों को we have had to resort back to the flood irrigation system, where we release water into the channels and irrigate our land. And I'm very happy because in terms of this Sadvigya, it's a very amazing story. In the last 5 years, 6 years, we have reaped, we have harvested good turmeric from here. We have harvested Gandharaj lemons here in abundance, and Shankardev lemons, and so many things here in between that we have done here. And these are all the areas where you can see the baglas in search of that. Again, it's a very interesting thing. You'll see the baglas from nowhere coming, and my Zara running after the baglas to catch them. And it's a good cat and mouse game between the baglas and my Zara here. So as you can see, we have just flood irrigated our the whole thing. All our plants will be rehydrated. Vetiver will strike roots, and the more the more dense the vetiver, the more productive and more fertile your soil becomes. It also checks soil erosion. Now, as you can see here, you can see a lot of desi mustard here, and again masoor and masoor coming up here. So these are these are tiny plants now, which will in a month you can see the masoor and the mustard being very prominent here also. As you can see, these are all mustard here. Sorry, masoor. Masoor china. So now we'll go back. इस बार हम लोग उधर चलते हैं, and we shall just have a walk for जो अपना farm की तरफ. So the girls and the boys would be winding up in say half an hour. It's already 4:30 in Ramnagar, and now we are walking towards the Lichi Bari here. And as you can see the mustard is growing fine, okay, in terms here. And we do have a problem of the Boston wild ferns, which of course is a very good pollution. You know, it absorbs all the pollutants, so the air is more pure and more clean here. These Boston ferns in cities would serve a wonderful purpose in terms of, because where the air quality index is bad or poor, Boston ferns can play a very important role. And if I'm not mistaken, Boston ferns are sold in vases and gamlas in the metropolis to check the pollution levels and for people to breathe better. Yeah. And as you can see here, the girls have completed the vetiver till the other side. They'll walk in this side. We shall use this part to we've just pruned and this part, and they will make the vetiver more dense here. It's a very fascinating walkthrough, as you can see every day. A food forest which has integrated the village boys and girls. And for a change, because of Zara and Zar, you know, accompanying me everywhere, the children in the village call me doggy wale uncle. So yesterday I had gone to my driver's grandson's birthday party, and there the kids referred to me as doggy wale uncle. Yahi doggy wale uncle hai na. So that's another name that I got in the village, other than Bhaiya ji and other than other marks of I was very amused. And now we are going to the Simarbari side, and we shall end वहीं पे हम लोग इसे ख़त्म भी करेंगे आज के वीडियो को. As you can see, it's a very, और जागो तुम बीच में ना कैमरा को घुमा भी दिया करो, so that people have an idea of what we are doing. यहाँ भी अगर यहाँ पे भी मसूर बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है. These are coming up very well. So let's see, keeping fingers crossed. We experimented that we had sown desi mustard and masoor together this time. Yeah. So I mean, all these things, you know, keep adding to the fertility of the soil, fixing nitrogen, making the soil healthy, in addition to vetiver being all around. और यहाँ से we'll just go to the right and you'll see the pathway which looks extremely beautiful on the right because of its curve. And Zar इधर हो बेटा, Zar come this side. अच्छा here हम लोग यहाँ पानी खुला हुआ है क्या? So this part has also been irrigated now, so I don't think we can walk this side. So this part is irrigated. So what we do is, तुम्हें पानी की तरफ दिखाओ. Now flood irrigation is something that's more out of necessity than choice, because as I told you, we're having problems with the sprinkler. But now find this area has become, it was dry, because here also we'll be extending our vetiver cultivation. So इधर से जाकर हम लोग इधर से वॉक करके वहाँ पे तक जाते हैं मशीन मोटर तक, और वहाँ पे ब्राउनी. So now we are walking to our Orabari motor area, where one of our pets, Brownie, his memorial is there, and as you would see there, his memorial is flanked by all the plants that we grow at the farm. Very nice way of their remembrance. He was, you know, he was a part of our lives, of everyone who was here at the farm, associated with the activities here. They all remember Brownie. Brownie was not very friendly towards all, but his constant barking, he drew attention to himself because he was fearless and undaunting. Very lovable. He was the first pet in my life in Bhopal, and I've seen him being so productive about everyone. So we'll end it here at Brownie Smithy, and we are extending our vetiver this side also now. Of course, we do have some vetiver here, and this is the Brownie memorial that I was talking about. This is his burial here, and as you can see, the Brownie Smithy is flanked by guavas, by subabul, by moringa trees, by lemons, vetiver, everything that we grow, everything that we grow here, we planted a plant each of those varieties here as a remembrance to brownie. So I think we'll call it a day now. I hope you have enjoyed the video update from ground zero of the pride of Purnia and Bihar. So before I end, let me reiterate and tell you what I tell you each time that we interact. Keep appreciating, keep criticizing, keep suggesting, but don't forget to watch the video updates from Summer Shell Natural Farms, because today this beautiful farm is the pride of Purnia and Bihar, but in days to come this farm would be the pride of the country as well, and perhaps the day is not too far off when this farm shall successfully establish itself on the global stage. हिंदी के दर्शकों के लिए हमेशा की तरह प्रशंसा कीजिए, आलोचना कीजिए, सुझाव दीजिए, पर देखना मत भूलिए, क्योंकि समरशल प्राकृतिक फार्म आज पूर्णिया और बिहार का गौरव तो है, पर आने वाले समय में ये पूरे देश का गौरव होगा। और यकीन मानिए आने वाले दिनों में हम लोग इसे आपके समर्थन से, आपके सहयोग से, आपके गुड विशेष से हम इसे विश्व के मानचित्र पर भी सफलतापूर्वक स्थापित कर पाएंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग सपोर्टिव एंड पार्टिसिपेटिव एज यूजुअल। और हम लोग कल फिर एक नई कहानी के साथ फिर से आपके सामने प्रस्तुत होंगे। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच।